scratch somewhere else. Why do you always... Dogs are always scratching or licking their butts in the background of all of my videos. Okay, hello. This is maybe one of the most... Oh my gosh, that's a wasp and it's on the inside of the window. Okay, hold please. Where did he go? It's a big giant wasp and I don't know where he went. And I'm squatting over because I'm too lazy to extend the tripod all the way. So I'm squatting. Okay, anyways, hello, good Lord, this is the worst intro ever. Oh, but it will prepare us and go ahead and lower your expectations for what you're about to watch, okay? I feel like this intro has lowered your expectations already. Go ahead and take them down a few more notches because what you're about to see is the awfulness that is our vehicle, our van. I have not cleaned this thing out in, I don't know, 9 months or something. It's been a really long time and it's needed it for a really long time. Our car gets gnarly. Fun fact, we hired somebody to come and clean it out and he did a fabulous job, and I think he was like, never again, because we have tried to contact him like 3 times to see if we could, we paid him a hefty sum to see if we could get him to come back out, and he won't return our calls. I think he's like, I'm not cleaning out that disgusting car ever again. So I'm going to do it today. Let me take you and show you the nastiness that is our Nissan Envy. I get a lot of questions about what we drive. We have 8 children. We are a family of 10. I have been doing this like extreme decluttering series. It started earlier this year. I only have a couple of spots left in my house, despite what you're seeing behind me right now. That's just a general mess. That is the van and my husband's closet. I still haven't done my husband's closet. And yes, he could do it himself, but we're gonna end up still with t-shirts that have holes in the armpits, so I'm gonna help out with that. So we're gonna do the car today. Bless it. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. We are gonna do this giant vehicle. Let me show you the before. And then pray for me, because also a thunderstorm. This is the first sunny day in like a week, and a thunderstorm's supposed to come at 3 o'clock, and it's like 12 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna have to hurry. I'm really scared, you guys. I feel like the wasp is hunting me now. Like he saw me with my flip-flop and he was like, oh yeah? Now I'm gonna hunt you. He's hiding and he's gonna come out when I least expect it. So for starters, this is our big Mama Jamma family van, which is locked. So let me go get the key. As you can see, this vehicle is gross. Oh, a French fry. Dirty, 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 dirty. All of the kids' car seats need, I mean, what the heck is that? They all need to be cleaned. Goldfish, a painting, blinds that need to be returned. There's a French fry wrapper. I mean, I'm really just have no shame anymore. I'm showing this on the internet, so here we go. Gross. There's the, oh, there it is. The milk cup. That's the rotten milk smell that I've been smelling, which is what sparked me to do this, because when I went to the used bookstore yesterday, I smelled rotten milk and I was like, that's it, it's time. Can't smell rotten milk in my car anymore. Gross, gross, gross.
It was a morning in June when I heard that tune falling up to the beat of your heart, like a white rain sails from a startled trail. Our eyes met and then landed so well. Before you could speak, before you could weep, I held your hand in mine, like a shell on a beach, waiting for your reach, falling up to the mountain to climb.
This is too disgusting to do I have to put gloves on. I haven't worn gloves to clean something since I was like a CNA or a nursing student. But the gnarliness that's in the over there under Miss Ivy's seat, I'm gonna need gloves for. Not sure what kind of viruses are growing and what I might. Scalpel.
You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my
Thank you, Rosie, for that deliciousness.
For the great moon in the middle of June, falling up to the pole of the tide. Though I've seen it before, nothing I've ever been told can touch this feeling inside. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring. There's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines, in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life, I let go of my hand in the jar. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines, in a silent space, in a cup full of time. In these orderly ways, in this disorderly life.
Just so we're clear, in any decluttering, overwhelming cleaning project specifically, but really I think this translates to almost anything in life that you try to do, you will inevitably hit a wall that feels like, why did I do this? Why did I crack this egg open? Why did I empty this closet? Why did I start on this project? You hit the point of, it's like you just want to give up because the project itself feels overwhelming. I'm at that point now. However, I've been at that point in every other decluttering project I've done, and what I've learned is we must push on, we must continue on, even when we don't want to, even when I am sweating profusely, the storm is really just waiting at the doorstep. I'm probably going to get soaking wet here in a minute, but we must press on even though I don't want to. So just so you're aware, you're not the only one. Most of us don't have some miracle amount of motivation. I don't have that. I want to quit right now, but I'm not going to, and you shouldn't either. If you've started a project, do not quit. Keep going. It will be worth it in the end. All right, Sierra's going to start helping me get some of these seats cleaned. We got to beat this storm. So I'm going to jump in here and start cleaning windows and walls and vacuuming floors. He's going to clean some seats over there.
Wash me in the water, cleanse me in the mercy of your love. I need a heavenly touch, 'cause I'll be backsliding. I need a little guiding for my soul. Only heaven knows, 'cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand. It's gonna help me stand. 'Cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand. It's gonna help me stand. Every now and then I get a feeling in my bones that I'm just wandering on my own. hit my knees, and I'm crying out, please, oh Lord, won't you bring me back home? Yeah, wash me in the water, cleanse me in the mercy of your love.
All right, we're trying to beat the thunderstorm that's coming, so I'm gonna shampoo the carpets, and I might have to stop. I don't know, we'll see. We got the car seats inside so we can clean them out. It is muggy and I am hot and sweaty and gross, but we're making progress. It's disgusting. It's really just disgusting. My point was I'm not gonna be able to film this part because it's about to start raining and I can't have the camera out here. All right, we're trying to beat the rain. I got the carpets shampooed. The rain is coming, despite what it looks like it's already trickling. I did shampoo the carpets, but they are pretty bad, so did the best we could. He's throwing the seats back in, and then I'm gonna go inside and clean all of the car seats and everything, and then I'll get those put back in here as well.
I need a heavenly touch, 'cause I'll be backsliding. I need a little guiding for my soul. Only heaven knows, 'cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand. It's gonna help me stand. 'Cause I just...
All right, so day 2. The rain is gone, and we are now going to get all of the car seats put back into the car. They're all dried. I cleaned them yesterday. All right, well, okay, we're getting a little bit of help here. Careful, don't fall, okay? But all the seats are in now, and as you can see, we've got a lot of seats. Noah's back there. We've got Shelby, Amelia, and Jonah. And then Kennedy, Ivy, and Benji goes here. Hey, where's this little train going? Yeah, they're having a lot of fun. But I'm glad the car is finally cleaned out and ready for usage. The last thing I want to do is go to like Target and get a basket, potentially 2 baskets to store under these seats to keep the extra diapers, wipes, and extra like kid things that I usually keep in the car. We are gonna do a road trip in like 2 weeks, and so I'm gonna do another video and I'll share with you guys then how I've organized the car and how like we store things and road trip things and just general storage in the vehicle for so many children and people. So that will be in an upcoming video in just a couple of weeks. That shall be it for this video, for this declutter and organization of this van. We got it all cleaned out. It was pretty gnarly before, but much better now. Does not smell like rotten milk. I, for one, am quite glad. So, all right, but that is it for today's video. Like I said, I'm gonna have another video coming up with all of the organization part of this, and it'll kind of be in combo with a road trip tips and prep video as well. So all of that is to come. Be sure to subscribe if you've not already. Thank you guys so much for watching and tolerating my nasty, horrible, disgusting mom vehicle that just got completely out of control, but much better now. Thank you guys so much. Have a fantastic day, and I will see y'all again very soon. Bye.